What's up, guys? BVF Collection here, back at it again with another unboxing. I'm very excited to open this big package. This is from XXXTentacion. I got 5 things in here, and I've been waiting since November. It is now February 6th, like a little over 3 months. Okay, I'm gonna start with this. The white bad tee in size XL. Can already tell. Dead stock. The Grail. The Broken Heart beanie. This is the Grail right here because of this beanie. That's very rare. Then we got, let's go. These are the bad kill hand shorts in size XXL because XL sold out on me and I needed them. So just gonna tie that really far around the waist. And the package I've been looking for, and I'm missing one. I knew I was missing something, and I was missing something. But we got ourselves the Bread Kill Fader Film in his own words hoodie. I'm gonna open this in just a moment. Stay tuned. Let's see what's like in this. I'm missing one t-shirt. I'm missing a t-shirt. It's the tri-colored t-shirt. But yeah, I'll show you guys. These open in a moment. All right, and we're back. So we're only gonna be opening 2 things today. The XXL shorts because I want to try them on, and I'm keeping these for sure. I'm for sure keeping these 2. I'm keeping this beanie forever. I'm just gonna open it right now. It's literally just a beanie, but this is embroidered right here. This thing is embroidered. Yeah. And this just the bad tee. I already have one, but that's an XL. And my other one's a XXL that I have. So I'm opening this now. Yeah. No, we're gonna open up this. I want to open this up because this thing's huge and I want to see the kill hand. So we're gonna see what the kill hand looks like. Front graphics lit. So it's, oh my gosh, it's all red and then you got some streaks of green in here. Very cool. Got a size XL. And then for the red kill hand, here we go. Oh my gosh, this thing looks like a flannel rip. It's shiny red puff print. Oh my gosh, this is insane. So it's red, but it's like a shiny red, but it's detailed, super detailed. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. It feels different than a Revenge. Honestly, I don't care if it's shiny. Even though it looks kind of like a flannel rip, it's not, because you can tell it's not Revenge in the front. And, oh my gosh, very detailed. Flannel rips aren't like that. You probably don't know what I'm talking about. You might if you collect this stuff and know about it. But yeah, this thing's awesome. Oh my gosh, I'm just very happy with this purchase. Super happy to have that one. There's the front. Okay. Next, we're gonna open up those shorts. And put these on right after too. Shorts time. Waited months for this. Yep, the mesh. Nice. Ooh. Ooh, feels amazing. Oh my gosh. I'll put them on right here. Oh, I can't wait to try them on. I hope XXL is even better than the XL. Dude, it feels like, I don't know, it feels good. It feels great. And then, look at this XXL. And we got a champion tag. That's so sick. Alright, we'll put these on in the video here. Thank you for watching. Almost shot that kill hand. I'm missing my tripod bad tee, but it's okay. Here's everything. Alright, thanks for watching.